How to check your loan balance in Discover Bank Online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to see how much you owe, well here is how to check your Discover loan balance online from desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your user ID and password, and once you're logged in from your account dashboard, you simply have to select the loan account you want to check, and there you will see your current balance, next payment due and interest information displayed clearly. So there you can just click on payment history, account details for more in-depth information, and there you can also download statements or export the data for personal record keeping. And with that, you can review your balance regularly to stay on top of payments and avoid late fees. And that's it. That's how you can check your loan balance in Discover Bank online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.